Welcome to Highway 37, a scenic route with its own set of challenges. As you can see, the road has only one lane in each direction, with a divider separating the opposing traffic. The marshy surroundings add to the beauty, but the traffic can get heavy at times. Notice how the traffic flows smoothly, then suddenly slows down or comes to a halt. It's a common occurrence on this stretch of road. But let's focus on the incident that caught our attention. Take a look at what's happening on the opposite lane. A white car rear-ended an SUV, causing a sudden impact. The footage is just seconds long, but it shows how quickly things can go wrong on the road. Let's take a closer look. The consequences of possible distracted driving or following too closely can be severe. It's a reminder to stay vigilant and maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front of you. The rest of the drive continues uneventfully, but this incident serves as a stark reminder of the importance of defensive driving. Let's stay safe out there.